This is video 1 in the HEX Innovate series on basic motorcycle maintenance. It gives a brief overview of how to drain a motorcycle's engine oil. The procedures shown in this video may not apply to all motorcycles. Always follow the motorcycle manufacturer's recommendations for routine maintenance and repair. If any tasks shown in this video are beyond your ability, let a qualified technician with experience in the relevant vehicle do them for you. Over time, engine oil is exposed to severe heat and mechanical stresses that break down its chemical structure and degrade its ability to lubricate. This makes it extremely important not to exceed the manufacturer's recommended service intervals. On most motorcycles, the engine, transmission, and clutch share the same oil. This means there is usually no need to worry about draining and replacing oil from more than one source. This is the case on the R1250 GS Adventure seen in this video. Your motorcycle's engine oil needs to be changed at regular intervals specified by the manufacturer. This interval is usually specified in the motorcycle's routine maintenance booklet or on the manufacturer's website. Newer motorcycles may show a visible service reminder on the instrument display. The engine oil change interval is typically between 5,000 and 10,000 kilometers, or the equivalent number of miles. If in doubt, ask a dealer for this information. To drain engine oil from the motorcycle, start by riding the motorcycle until its engine temperature stabilizes. Park the motorcycle on its center stand or secure it to a workshop stand. Most motorcycles need to be parked in an upright position for the engine oil to be changed. Remove the key from the ignition. This eliminates the possibility of accidentally starting the motorcycle with no oil in its engine. Remove any components obscuring the oil sump drain plug or plugs. On this motorcycle, the oil sump skid plate needs to be removed. On fully faired or partly faired motorcycles, the lower fairing will need to be removed. Place metal or plastic drain tray under the engine oil drain point. Remove the oil sump drain plug. Be aware that some motorcycles may have more than one engine oil drain point. If this is the case, be sure to drain the oil from all drain points. The oil sump drain plugs of many motorcycles have a magnet built in. This assists the engine's oil filter in trapping stray metal particles. It is also a diagnostic aid that lets you examine any particle buildup. A very small amount of stray metal dust or fragments is normal. If a drain plug magnet has trapped larger particles or excessive debris, this means trouble that must be investigated further. Clean the drain plug with a solvent-based cleaner and wipe it dry with a clean rag. The old engine oil will likely be dark brown, tending to black. This is normal. If the oil has a scorched smell, it is likely that the engine has run or is currently running too hot. If the engine oil has a light to dark beige color, it is likely that engine coolant has mixed with the oil. This may be the result of a faulty cylinder head gasket or cooling system corrosion and must be investigated further. A good quality oil service kit may include replacement copper or aluminium sealing washers for the oil drain plug or plugs. Replace each sealing washer with a new one before reinstalling the drain plugs. Reinstall the drain plugs and torque them to the correct value. The drain plug on this R1250 GS Adventure is torqued to 40 Newton meters. The HEX GS 911 has been independently rated as the best diagnostics and configuration tool for BMW, allowing you to reset service reminders, scan and clear fault codes, read real-time values, retrofit BMW accessories, do important maintenance procedures, and much more. See hexgs911.com for more information.